Hello viewers, let's continue our SQL 50 series, and now we have to solve one more question, which is rising temperature. So in this question there is given a weather table. Here is given a column name ID, record table and temperature, and their data type has been given int, date and int. Okay, so the ID is primary key of this table, and you just have to write the solution to find all the date ID where the temperature is high compared to previous day. Okay, you have to return all the IDs where the temperature is higher than the previous day. Okay, so you have to return the result in any order, and there is given a example here. So here is a weather table given ID, record date and temperature. Okay, so you have to check the temperature is greater than previous day or not. If it is greater than previous day, then you have to return the ID, and if it is not, then you don't have to do anything. Okay, so you have to start from this table, this row, which is ID2, and you have to check whether this temperature is greater than previous temperature, which is 10. If 25 is greater than 10, yes, of course it is greater than, then you have to return the ID2. Okay, and then you have to move ID3, which is 20, temperature is 20, and you have to check whether 20 is greater than 25. No, so you don't have to return the 3. And in the same way, you have to check for ID4, the temperature is 30, whether you have to check if 30 is greater than 20. Yes, so now you have to return the ID4. Okay, so I hope you understand this question. You just have to uh, you have to check in this table that the temperature should be greater than the previous day. Okay, you just have to do the inner join because you just have to find in same table. Okay, so let's write the code here. First you have to write the select from table name, which is weather. Okay, weather weather I will rewrite as a W1, and then you have to do the inner join. You have to do inner join, which is with the weather W2. I will rewrite as a W2. Okay, and you have to return the W1 dot ID. Okay, you have to return the ID, and on the date difference should be W1 dot record date, comma W2 dot record date is equals to 1, and then you just have to do and W1 dot temperature should be greater than W2 dot temperature. Okay, so let's run. You just have to find a date difference should be greater, which is 1 means if it is greater then it will 1, and if it is not greater then it will be 0. Okay, so of course we have to check whether it is greater, should be 1, and let's submit this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Thanks for watching.